To connect headphones or earbuds with your Huawei Watch Fit 4, well, all you simply have to do is, first of all, put your device and your headphones or earbuds into the pairing mode. In most cases, you simply have to press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds, and like this will put them in the pairing mode. And basically, it varies depending on the device. Simply check the manual of your headphones or earbuds how to do this. Simply put these headphones into the pairing mode. From here, what you simply have to do is grab your watch and you'll have to go into the settings. So let's open settings on our watch and go for Bluetooth right here. And just like this, as you can see, the device will scan for all of these devices, Bluetooth devices nearby, and it will have these headphones right here. These are our headphones. Simply tap on this one, and as you can see now it is connecting, and it just connected. So pretty simple, right? That's basically how you can connect the headphones or earbuds with your Huawei Watch Fit 4.